Whether you have a trusted repair shop that you always do business with, or you're looking for a new one, it's important to know the right questions to ask your mechanic. Asking the right questions when it's time for auto repairs can help you get the best price, ensure quality service, and help you make informed decisions. Like most things in life, you get what you pay for when it comes to auto repairs. Cheap is not always best. That's not to say that you can't get a fair price for auto repairs, however. And learning about prices and fees before your mechanic gets started will help prevent surprises later. Here are a few cost-related questions to ask your mechanic. Not every auto repair shop offers free diagnosis and estimates, and that's okay. But you want to know upfront exactly what those fees are and how they're structured. If there is a fee, is it flat rate or per hour? On the other hand, if it's free, what exactly is included and are there any conditions? When possible, it's always a good idea to get a quote in writing for auto repairs or for anything else. This eliminates issues of, but he said it would be this much, when different staff members are involved in your service experience. Ideally, you want to choose a mechanic and auto repair shop that stands behind their work. The national average warranty is 24 months or 24,000 miles on services. At GoodWorks Auto Repair, we are so confident in the quality of our work that we offer an industry-leading warranty of 60 months or 60,000 miles on parts and labor for major repairs. Now, if you feel comfortable with the answers you've gotten to your questions so far, it's time to ask a few more. Here are some questions to ask your mechanic that are a little more specific to them and the service they provide. Many mechanics specialize in servicing certain vehicle makes or models. Be sure the technician you've chosen is familiar with your particular vehicle. If they're not, it's time to look for someone else. The next question has to do with what other people think. You can actually ask this question to a prospective mechanic or auto repair shop. Or you can search online for customer reviews. Even better, talk to friends and family and get a personal recommendation. You never know, they might even get a referral reward for sending you to their favorite shop. Make sure your mechanic is willing to explain any needed repairs to you. We believe that the more you know about your vehicle, the better you can make informed decisions about its service. Additionally, when you know exactly what your car needs for repairs, you can budget for expenses coming up. Now, you probably have more questions to ask your mechanic than the ones we've already listed. That's no problem. Simply give us a call or schedule an appointment online and we'll be happy to help. We look forward to being the auto repair shop you trust most.